Hello dear students, happy morning and greetings to you all from our exclusive English and educational updates. Well, hope you will be getting and geared up for the Dasara holidays and hope this vocabulary word series will help you improve your word power as well as daily English communication skills. So please stay tuned to our English and education updates for the more English related updates. So let's get started with our today's words. The number one word is seize, as you all can see in the given screen. S-E-I-Z-E. Look at the picture. The police is seizing the thief. Look at the Telugu equivalent meaning of the word seize. Now look at the spelling. Please memorize the spelling. Now the pronunciation of the word is seize. And it has got present, seize, past, seized, seized, having the synonyms catch, capture, grab, confiscate, clutch, arrest. Look at the usage and example sentences extracted here. He was quick to seize on the idea. The wind seized that hat off my head. The police seized him by the arm. He tried to seize the gun. Well, if it is an opportunity, seize it. Seize the day is to do the things one wants to do when there is a chance instead of waiting for a later time. Seize the day. Those who possess willpower will seize the day. The coach guided the football players to seize the day. This is the contextual usage of the words seize the day. Please do subscribe and encourage. Now let's move on to the word 2. The second word is snooze, having the meaning short sleep. Snooze is a verb and it can also act as a noun. The pronunciation of the word is snooze. Look at the spelling of the word S-N-O-O-Z-E. Now let us look at the example sentence of the word snooze. Dad is taking a snooze in the other room. Means having a sleep. Grandfather likes to snooze in the garden in summer holidays. She always has a snooze after lunch. The hare had a snooze on the way and lost the race, as you all can see, as you all can hear in the story. The hare and the tortoise. I just need a 10-minute snooze and I'll be fine after lunch. So like this we can explain the words. Please do subscribe, share with your friends and reply me in the comment section. Wish you all happy holidays, Dasara holidays, and in advance we wish you a very happy Dasara. Thank you dear friends. Jai Hind.